Hello and welcome to this interesting class. Now in this number 51 UTME question, we are in a topic called binary operation. Now the question says that let this asterisk and this sign here be two binary operations, right? Binary operations. Let them be two binary operations such that a asterisk b is equal to 2 raised power 2 square b, right? And a, this sign b, right, equal to 2a plus b. Let's say find open bracket minus 4 asterisk 2 close bracket. This sign I look like a raised power open bracket 7 asterisk minus 1 and close the bracket. Now the solution. Let's put to action. Now from this question, you can see that a asterisk b is equal to this, right? And then a raised power b is equal to this. Now, what is in the bracket is minus 4 asterisk 2 and then 7 asterisk minus 2. So first of all, we clear the bracket. That means we compute the one that is inside the bracket first. So the first one that is inside the bracket is minus 4 asterisk 2. Right here. Minus 4 asterisk 2. Then here we have a asterisk b, right? That means here now a is equal to what? Minus 4. Then b is equal to 2. So applying this, that means minus 4 asterisk 2 is equal to a is what? Minus 4. So minus 4 squared multiplied by b, which is 2. 4 squared is what? 16 times 2. It is equal to what? 16 times 2 is 32. Right? So minus 4 asterisk 2 is 32. Then we'll do the next one, which is 7 asterisk minus 1. Now, 7 asterisk minus 1, it implies that a is equal to what? 7. A is equal to 7. And then b, yeah, is equal to minus 1. Equal to minus 1. Therefore, 7 asterisk minus 1 will be equal to a. A is what? 7. By 7 squared. Multiplied by b is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 equals 7 squared is what? 7 times 7, 49. Multiplied by minus 1. 49 multiplied by minus 1 will give me minus 49 multiplied by minus 1 will give me minus 49. Right? Then we have computed this and we have also computed this. Now we got here as 32 and here as minus 49. Therefore, then compute 32 raised to the power minus 49. Now remember that they say a raised to the power b is equal to this. Therefore, this implies that a here is equal to what? A here is 32, right? 32. And b here is equal to what? Minus 49. B here is equal to minus 49. So using this particular formula, you have that 32 raised to the power minus 49 will be equal to 2, bracket a is what? A is 32. So you say 32 plus b. B is what? Minus 49. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 32 will give me 64. Plus times minus is minus 49. This is equal to 64 minus 49 will give me 15. So our final answer for this is 15. I believe you understand this. You also enjoy the class. If you enjoyed the class, please give us a like, follow, and make sure you share for more. Thank you.